Hi, I'm Renie. I work for Alien Gear Holsters and I am a mentor on the ShapeShift line. As a mentor on the ShapeShift line, we build concealed weapons holsters. And as a team, I have 3, and whenever anybody needs help, I'm there to help and assist them. In every order that we do, it is our job to make sure that you get the quality product that you have ordered. With every holster and every core carry kit, we have this little setup right here to ensure that you get exactly what you've ordered and that the product is to the best it can be. This is our scale, and whenever the parts come across, it weighs it, and we know that everything that you've got is there. We use an automated system here, and this top screen is what we use to see what all's coming down the line, and the bottom screen is used to pull up the orders and to print for the shipping. I've been here going on 3 years now, and I love my job. I love the fact of making the holsters because I like guns, so what a better job could I have? Again, my name is Renie, and I carry every day, and if you want a good holster, come to Alien Gear, because it doesn't get any better than this.